All right, today our task is going to involve us typing in our numerical expressions that we have created the past two class periods. So I'm going to walk you through it, and don't worry about what class I'm in and what this looks like. This is a class where I'm a student, so it should look the same for you as it does for me. So I'm going to click on the PowerPoint. And you can't access the special effects that we need inside of Teams. So I need you to click open in the desktop app. And once you're in the desktop app, we can scroll down to our slide 16, where we have everything. And I'm going to change this back to October. And when we're here, we're going to click on Insert. And once we open up the Insert tab, all of these options become open to us, and we want to scroll over to Symbols. And when we click on Symbols, we have an equation. We're going to click on that, and you can see it pops up over here. You can move it around. Oh, I'm still inside of here. Click outside of the text box. That helps. So we're going to click on the equation. And this is where we're going to be able to create those exponents and make it look really nice. So what you do is you click on that. You can click on that, and then you use your arrow key, and you can see those gray boxes move as I click my arrows. So this is going to be our base number, and that's going to be our exponent. And then you just arrow to the right to get back out of that exponent. And up here we have multiplication, division, and if you open that up, you can see we have addition and subtraction as well. So if we're going to add that to something, let's say, I'm going to add 3 to that. And remember that exponents count as an operation and numbers. So this would technically be 3 numbers and 2 operations. So 2 to the power of 3 would be 8. 8 plus 3 would be 11. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And once you're in there, you can make it colorful if you want. Go back to home if you have it highlighted. Or you can design and format, and you can change it to be, you can do some crazy text effects if you want. Try to use something that I could read, but you can make it 3-dimensional. You can change what it looks like. All fun stuff. If you're in the text box, you can go back to your home and you can make it bigger or smaller. I don't know if you can change the font. I think you should be able to. Oh no, you can't when you're using the equation. That's okay. So you can't change the font, but you can format it and you can make it pretty. You can do some outline stuff with your text box. You can do a fill color. Let's fill this with green. And then you can, oh, they won't let you do that. That's all right. Should probably change what color the writing is. Okay. So you can make it colorful, but that's pretty hard for me to read. So make it, readable. You can have it plain like that. So again, to create those equations, go to Insert, Symbol, and Equation, and then it opens up all of this cool math stuff. Click on that, click, arrow over, and arrow out. To add pictures to your calendar, you can go to Insert, you can go to the icons, and that kind of gives you some basic outline type stuff. You can also go, once again, we're in insert, you can go to online pictures and you can search for stuff. Oh look, birthday cake is on there, celebration, fireworks. I don't know what else there is in October. But let's say you're on the tennis team and you have a tennis tournament on, one of the Saturdays. You could add that in here. So it's really big. We're going to make it small so it fits. Let's say you have a tennis tournament on the 3rd. And then if you don't want those writing there, you can just click, just kidding. Make sure you just select the one that you want to delete and you can click delete. So you can decorate it. I want to see lots of decorations, especially on the ones that you don't use. So if you're not using one, so October starts here. You can move these text boxes around. I saw that some of you still had text boxes that looked like that and your numbers are stacked. All you have to do is drag it to it stops. If you don't want the text box outline, like I don't, I think it's ugly, you can go to Format, Shape Outline, and you can click No Outline, and it makes the outline disappear. Or, you can, if you like the outline but you don't want it to be black, you can make it purple, and you can make it squiggly, and let's make it thicker. There you go. So you can customize this in a lot of ways. So I want to make sure the calendar represents you and it looks like something you did.